Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the backlights of your Mercedes Benz Actros 1836 in this example. So many Actros are doing an back side light change like this truck does. First step, you have to unscrew two Torx screws on the back side of the glass of your back bulbs or your back lamps, of course. And if this performed in a good shape, as you can see, you are able to extract the cover of your bulbs, of your back side bulbs, and you can pull off the cover now. Take care, no ribbon on the sides to damage. As you can see, there it is. The cover is extracted, and now we can enter to the light bulbs. There are 2, 4, 6 of them in one line. Each lamp has a special socket. Some lamps are twice at this place, it's the same socket, but you can read the socket type in or at the back side bulb holding system. Let's change, for example, the right bulb here. Press in and rotate it to the left side. Then you can remove the light, the bulb, and you have to add a new one. Only place this back in position, push it and rotate it to the right turn, and then use a tool to clean the surface. You can go and change the other bulbs at the same quest like we did shown you before. There you can see there's some different socket bulbs. Sometimes it's larger and sometimes it's smaller, and the socket type is pressed into the halo of your cover holding system. And that means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 other bulb sockets are in this team here at the back side of your Mercedes Benz Actros. And to enter the cover again, take care on the cover halo. There is a rubber. This rubber has to go back in position, and you can do assembling the 4 Torx screws again. And if you assemble them, that it is, job's done. All kind of light will show you again, the other drivers show your devices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.